Hand washing. There should be accessible hand washing stations at the appropriate locations, with potable running water at a suitable temperature, soap or other hand cleaning and sanitizing materials, sanitary hand drying equipment or supplies for employees to wash and dry hands as required. The water control devices at the hand washing stations should be designed to protect against recontamination of washed hands. If disposable towel is used for hand drying, a covered garbage receptacle should be provided for used towels. There should be easily understandable signs posted at hand washing stations to remind employees to wash hands. Washrooms and toilet rooms. Washrooms and toilet rooms in particular should be separated from and should not open directly into food storage, handling, and processing areas. Washrooms should be equipped with the required hand washing facilities, covered garbage receptacles, and easily understandable signs to serve as reminders to employees. Change rooms should be available for employees to change from their personal external clothing into designated work uniform and footwear. Change rooms should be equipped with lockers or suitable storage racks for employees to store clothing, footwear, and other personal items, with receptacles for dirty work clothes, and covered garbage receptacles. The design and location of lockers and storage racks in change rooms should facilitate cleaning. Lunchrooms and break rooms. There should be designated lunchrooms and break rooms for employees. Lunchrooms should be equipped with appropriate appliances and food storage facilities for employees' food and with covered garbage receptacles. If smoking is permitted in lunchrooms and break rooms, it should be restricted to designated areas and ashtrays should be provided.